take all your coils off, take all your wiring harness, just tuck that up there. And all these 8mm, the bottom ones are not much fun. We're not going to go step-by-step guide there, it's pretty straightforward. And then you take your valve cover off, which in theory should be straightforward, but it never ever is. Oh, that's a liar out of me. There we go, got that off. Ta-da! So once you're at this stage, you've got the valve cover off. The next thing you need to do, 9 times out of 10, it's either going to be a broken valve spring or you've got a worn out camshaft lobe. So you rotate the motor by hand, as we have here, and you watch your rockers rock and compare how much your valve spring compresses on your suspect cylinder versus one that's not faulty. So when the camshaft lobe wears out, which is common on these, the rocker will still rock. You've got to compare your suspect cylinder with a known good cylinder, and you'll see that the valve spring doesn't compress nearly as much as the other one, which is causing a misfire. Once you've determined that, the next thing to do is pull your oil filter off. And I guarantee you it'll be full of metal, and then your motor's pretty much condemned. You can just change the camshaft, but true story, we've been bitten. Once you've got all that fine metal go through the whole motor, your bearings are all shot. If you've got a worn out camshaft lobe, you need a reconditioned or a brand new crate motor. Very good. You don't need 16 spark plugs. You need one of these.